Okay, that's it for, this is the right format for the core site XML configuration. You need like, yeah, every machine. Yeah, just make sure if you're, yeah, it doesn't matter which one is the name node. Just, yeah, every desktop, and make sure on the node 2 that was right as node 1 as name node. Even name node 1 as himself, and 3 as write the name node 1 as the name node. No problem.
ఎఫ్ఎస్ డిఫాల్ట్ డిఫాల్ట్ కింద మార్చింది జాబ్ జాబ్ 3 ని
You can go, this is the first part for the configuration of core site XML, and later we need to configure this one, the HDF site XML. It's better to use SUD or Studio, and then you can make it save a lot of time. And otherwise, if you cannot do Studio, you may encounter some problem, like you cannot save your file like that. It's the same thing here, and also with the MapReduce site. Yeah. Yeah, I need to do more here. No, it's not like that. It's like, I can write it down. So for the second one, it's the HDFS site XML configuration, and what we need to do is, there's a configuration, and this is a property, right? And the name, and the whatever here, the name, and the value, put the value here, and that's for this property. And you need to make another property, like then name, and then value, and then that's for the end for this property, just like that. Yeah, like this format. Yeah, it's the same thing, just copy here, all this line here, and paste them into the value. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, I need to do the same thing, this one. Yeah, it's not for this value, yeah. For this one, we need to specify this. Yes, 3 properties. That's why I show you guys like that. 3 properties.
Does that mean the same as this one?
In the, yeah.
Is that the same?
Okay, what's the IP address is specified for your desktop? Yeah. Where the file?
What is it for site?
啊，一会儿。
Insert mode and then. Yeah.
And the same port number?
Oh, it's not the, you don't need to do any change here, just put the, all the change part is just the name node in, otherwise just copy the value and put them. 是一样，完全是一样，这个是一样，这个是，这是 name node， 对，一样一样。对，原来有的话你就继续用，如果原来没有就先这样。不用，原来有一个，我记得应该是 date name。有的 name，OK， name 点是原来有的。原来有的你把它删了，然后改成，或者说你直接修改一下，改成我们要用。就完全跟原来一样，就跟这个讲义上一样。对。Hey guys, for the HDFS site file configuration, these two name and value need to be exactly the same as what is on this tutorial. And for this one, the address need to put the same thing what we had just done before. Put the name of your name node right there, and the port number does not change. And you may find one property that was in this file while you enter it there. You just do the update, and there's only one, but we need two more. We need to add the property name and value like this format to add more properties in this file. Yeah.
I mean, like, I should not check this one. Oh, okay, so I'm just gonna change it. Then add two.
Yeah, you need to have a property name each. That's for this name and value. But for more name and value property.
Good, let's have this.
And for those who finish the HDFS site XML configuration, you can go ahead with the MapRed site XML, the same format. And the thing you need to make sure is that for your team, you need to specify another desktop as the job tracker. We'll put his name or her, put the name of the desktop here, and the same port. Do not change anything except this one red thing. That's for another. That's for another. Okay, this is the most important part, and after we finish this free configuration, files configuration, we can just go do a little bit more work, then we can start work faster. Core side.
不是那个只是自己的名字吗？本机的一个相当于标识是在机器里面的哪个？是哪个文件
Core side. 这个里面改的是那个那个。
这个是方的，这是我们俩改。
你们这个只能有一个，只能有一个。
他那个如果一天面一个，对对，一个唯一。
对，所以就是你们商量好那个，然后把它一起。
这个是。 愿意决定那个
对
到开展招这就是暂时我们来。
Okay, guys, for the core site XML configuration, all team members within one team should be the same. You guys should be the same for connect to the same name node. That's which means this part gonna stay the same. These files for one team gonna stay the same. You're gonna specify one desktop as a name node. And same thing with here for the job tracker. There gonna be one job tracker in each team, and that's makes this file gonna be the same within each team.
Yeah, so can the name of name node and job tracker is the same, right?
Yeah, it's something that's the name of the job tracker. Desktop,
Yeah, it's a name node which is a job tracker. So it's
No, it's not the job tracker and the name node is not the same thing.
Okay.
Just try different, yeah. Try different. Because in the lab 6, we're going to do more work with the stuff. We need to not make the same.
Again, like the same value, or we should change for the.
Okay, it's the first one, it's called file. Yeah. No, it's going to be different. The name node is one desktop you specify, and choose another desktop for the job tracker. Because later we're going to do an experiment with the AI. Okay, for your team, just make sure there's one desktop served as the name node, and choose another served as the job tracker. And just put the name there and replace the ref line.
Step number 14.
That's right. Excuse me. We are job tracker node. Number 5. Okay. Just go back, right? Okay, here, you need to follow this format. What's
Those values are the same, or we need to change it? For the values for the name.
Your team
Are we working with this one?
Okay. We need to specify one here as the input. This number. Yeah, you need to change the red. The thing that was red.
And the others are going to be the same.
The other's gonna be the same, but for this one, you need to specify another computer served as the job tracker. Run the
And the job tracker should be the name.
yeah the name.
So is it going to be the same name for all of us?
Yeah.
Yeah, all of you guys, you need to choose another instead of the name node.
Like one of us should be name.
Yeah,
Either
one
or
of you guys will be a name node and another can be.
So that means we will
Yeah,
have
since-
a number.
Yeah, that's why. Since there's
Let's
two.
do two. We're gonna use number of yours.
Because I'm finish configuration work.
Okay.
That's the problem. You guys.
So let's not even not two. Okay. I'm gonna be the boss, okay?
And just you guys finishing. I'm not doing. Otherwise, it's gonna be a problem.
You are. So let's gonna be not two.
Okay, for guys finish the configuration, the 3 files configuration work, you can go to the step 12 and 13. And yeah, 13. And for just typing in the same command here, we want to make a directory that was for the cluster using, that's also the location that we specified in the configuration file. It's here, this DFS name node. Same thing here. And after you create the directory, you need to give them the privilege and control. And same thing here.
So again, job track Yeah. Okay, that's the name of your name node? No, I mean the name for the team, right? Name node for the team. There will be one name node for one team. No. Okay, okay. That's the name for your desktop, right? We need to, among these three computers, we need to specify one of the three serve as name node, and another run the job tracker program. Okay, you guys
You want it, you will tell that, I think, so job one name is job 3 or job
Okay, it's done. Okay, so you guys can do job run as name node. Okay, that's great. That's all. Yeah, here. That was correct, right? But you need to put that into another file. Another file, this file. And the same thing, same format, same thing. Okay, sure. That's what for the user. Okay. We need to find the username. That's training, and then you need to the training. Yeah, and type is type, and then follow with the file name. Okay, for our students who have finished the 13th step, we're going to go with the 14th, and we're going to create a file. No, 1 second. That was named as the Hadoop sh file. We're going to use this command, sudo touch the Hadoop, this one, and then use the VI editor to edit the file. To put this line in the file and save it and exit. No, we need to do that. Every step, just follow. Start with easy, just copy this.
अच्छा ये इसमें कॉपी करना अब 16 वाला स्टेप है ना तो खाली मेरे को करना हाँ देखो नहीं क्या अच्छा रीफॉर्मेट अच्छा
那个是
Unity training
你需要
डालना है
输出一下它那个 user name，然后把那个 user name 放在
这没写啊。
对，
अबे वो कमांड बरोबर ना सेम जो नोड 1 भी है उसका नेम नोड पूरा लिखने में
保险起见，我们都是 training，但是可以输一下你这个。
是啊，就是按照你那个得先看那个文件，踏上那个文件是吧？
哦，那个是第14步，你说这个是第15步。
क्या होता है शटडाउन हो गया तो स्टार्ट करो ये वाला कमांड आते हैं नेक्स्ट वाला दो तेरा create a file
Yeah, for step 14, we need to create a file that with this name and use the VI editor to edit the file. And when you enter the file, you need to put the line export the 200 megabyte as the RAM, because we are on the native resource. And after you finish that, in step 15, just do export, just make them print out the username here and
मतलब ये
give the file the privilege to run.
अब ये दोनों के लिए या दोनों के लिए तो मतलब कर लो मेरा तो ये
And I guess for this one, we need to run a sudo and then it's gonna work.
So this one can work on a main node, secondary main node, and database.
You don't need to specify the secondary name node. You just need to configure one as name node, the other one as job tracker. That's it.
The other one job tracker as in you mean to say is the node 1 and I am the job tracker. In that way, or you will be the job tracker. Same machine is work as a job tracker and name node.
No, it's better choose one as name node and another one as job tracker. Because later we're gonna do a lab 6. It's gonna run another. So it's better to be separate. Inside the one guy can focus on this one. Otherwise, you can get a lot of job.
तो ओपन करो और मैं पर साइड एक्सएमएल
Is it more? It doesn't work? No, it's still the training here. did that already? Okay. Yeah, that's great. Okay. Yeah, 16, and be careful. We guys finished step 15. The 16, there's start with the different work for the name node. When everyone complete these steps, format the name node. Do this only on the node, which is specified as the name node. While the others do not need to do this. Only one person in one team shall do this. Format your name node. And then just read very carefully. There is a specify what is to do on name node and what is to do on all machines. Here the all machines including the name nodes. Training.然后就是你们的 name node 只考虑一句，别的不用考，别人不用考。然后下面说的非常清楚是谁考。
Stop here, it will start.
Good. Go ahead and just follow steps, make sure, yeah, it's on the right machine.
Job confirmation.
No, don't need to do that. Just because which one is the name now? Okay, she can just look this name.
यहाँ पे पता चला क्या
It's the
नहीं वो टाइप हुआ नहीं
17th step last one all machine 16,000
नहीं हुआ है
17th last on all machine
ऐसे ही आता है वो क्या आता है
water
ऐसा हाँ JPS ये क्या करना कुछ नहीं है डेटा
it's a note to
upload from data to आपको कोई एक ही करेगा है मैं करता हूँ
Okay, I think that's all right. Because we are formatting.
I don't know how to
Yeah.
मोर वाले का नाम के कोई भी
And I did start out successful in the same thing. I did the same thing. I would want to go back everything. Okay, yeah. Oh, the last time? Okay. Maybe I didn't change anything. She's yeah, I just double check. Okay, and if you follow the next step, I think it starts here. You shall do this, you're gonna do these two, and this one, and well, the other two, do this. And just, yeah, no problem.
So name also has to.
Okay, which command? Start. Okay, is your start name now? Yes.
ये ट्रेनिंग हो गया हुआ है
And yours name now. Okay, there is a section.
है ना
See, you have
ये रहा
You didn't have this. Did after this? Did you format now?
No. Then this is
I think you just reformat it. Just shut down.
मुझे को पहले ये यहाँ पे एंड हुआ यहाँ पे एंड होगा
So can you just get the files?
one of the job is examine the output to ensure it is successful
Okay, there's another, here's our first.
जॉब देखो और ये जॉब करते
अरे चावल started